What's he doing? Judging from his movements, we should be able to guess that he's generating electricity. We know that the main types of power generation are thermal, hydro, and nuclear. Nowadays, wind power is becoming more and more popular. Wind power is the use of wind to blow the blades to drive the generator. It converts mechanical energy into electricity. The advantage is that it is a kind of clean energy. The disadvantage is that it requires high wind. It's also difficult to choose a site, and the huge blades can harm animals. Someone has invented a wind turbine without rotating blades. This wind turbine is modeled after a hummingbird's wings. It relies on the wind to drive its wings to generate electricity. It's based on the graceful movement of a hummingbird, replacing the rotating motion of traditional wind turbines with linear motion. Not only does it take up less space, and minimizes the threat to birds. Birds are natural aerodynamicists. One of the most efficient flyers is the hummingbird. It's known for its speed and efficiency. For the speed and efficiency of its flight, it can beat its wings more than 80 times a second. And a pair of wings on this wind turbine. On this wind turbine mimic the way hummingbirds flap their wings. This is the first time a mechanical device has successfully mimicked the movement of a hummingbird. Both wings are made of carbon fiber. They mimic the way a hummingbird flips its feathers when it flaps upwards, converting linear motion into rotational motion, drawing a figure 8 at an angle of 40 degrees. It collects wind energy efficiently and naturally. But since the length of its wings is only 1.6 meters, it's much less efficient than a conventional windmill. But it takes up less space. And in terms of energy efficiency, in terms of aerodynamics and material strength. So not only can it be used in large wind power plants, and it's small enough for home use. And that's not all. By using the new technology of 3D kinematics, the noise generated during the power generation process is greatly reduced than conventional wind turbines, and more compact, making it suitable for use in residential and other densely populated areas. In addition to this oddly shaped wind turbine, there's another type of wind turbine that doesn't have blades. It's a pole. The wind blowing against the pole creates the Cayman vortex effect. When the airflow meets an obstacle, will create vortices on both sides, causing resonance and shaking. The column will sway back and forth to generate electricity. This device is cheap and quiet, but the efficiency of power generation is not good. That's why it's not widely used. Have you seen any other special wind power?